In Arizona, we continue to see increases in cases across the state. Health officials are now reporting more than 7,000. News 4 Tucson's Priscilla Casper has the latest totals just released this morning. Good afternoon, Priscilla.
Well, good afternoon, Amanda. We officially hit that 7,000 mark with new coronavirus cases. As of this morning, the Arizona Department of Health Services now reporting a total so far of 7,202 COVID-19 cases in the state of Arizona. They're also reporting 304 deaths. That is 11 deaths more than what we reported to you yesterday. Let's get a look at a breakdown by county numbers. As of today, there are 254 new reported COVID-19 cases across the state of Arizona. Let's take a look now by county. Here in Pima County, so far being reported 1,215 cases. Pima County also reporting 80 deaths. That is 2 more deaths than what we reported to you yesterday. Maricopa County is still reporting the highest number of cases with over 3,700. According to the state health department, more than 68,000 people have been tested and 9% of those tested were positive. Now here is a look at the last 2 weeks from today. The numbers from April 16th through last Wednesday compared to last Thursday to today. Well, 2 weeks ago we had close to 1,600 cases in the week, while last week we had a little more than 1,300. As for recoveries reported from the hospital, far less people were discharged this past week than the week prior, but it is important to know that these recoveries are from the hospital. There are so many more people who have since recovered than this that never went to the hospital. And now when you see when it comes to reported deaths, there have been less deaths this past week than the week prior. If you want an in-depth look at the cases and a breakdown of all of the data, head over to KVOA.com for a link. Now, Arizona Governor Doug Ducey's stay-at-home order here in Arizona is set to end at midnight tomorrow. Now, many of us wondering, is he going to be extending the stay-at-home order or possibly starting to maybe reopen Arizona? News 4 Tucson's Danelle Confer joining us live from Tucson City Hall with the latest. Danelle, what are you learning this afternoon?
Good afternoon, Priscilla. Yeah, Governor Doug Ducey is expected to hold a briefing sometime this afternoon where he's expected to make a decision on extending that stay-at-home order or possibly loosening some of those restrictions. Now, many of Arizonans are, really eager as they're unemployed, and leaders here in Tucson, though, say it's too soon to reopen. We spoke with the Pima County Health Director, Dr. Bob England, on Tuesday, who says predicting what date social distancing would stop would be a mistake and that we need to continue to monitor the data. He's not alone in his opinion. Mayor Regina Romero took to Twitter today to ask Governor Ducey to extend the stay-at-home order.
I believe that we need much more testing capacity and PPE before we begin to reopen. This is echoed by Pima County Administrator Chuck Huckleberry's recent memo to the Pima County Board of Supervisors, where he states, without an adequate supply of both testing supplies and PPE, we cannot begin to consider relaxing the present state executive order restrictions.
Those restrictions now up to the governor to decide. We've got you covered from Tucson City Hall. Danelle Confer, News 4 Tucson.